Now we will see Computer Science Standard 12th. The chapter is Strings and String Manipulations. This chapter about we will discuss. Here, string is a data type used to handle array of characters. It is a sequence of Unicode characters that may be a combination of letters, numbers, or special symbols enclosed within single, double, or even triple quotes. In Python, strings are immutable. It means once you define a string, it cannot be changed during execution. It is called immutable. So, string is a data type used to handle array of characters. It is a sequence of Unicode characters that may be a combination of letters, numbers, or special symbols enclosed within single, double, or even triple quotes. In Python, strings are immutable. It means once you define a string, it cannot be changed during execution. Next, the great example I will tell you. Example print in a single quotes Greater Chennai Corporation. So we'll see, we'll get an output Greater Chennai Corporation. Same thing, print in a double quotes Computer Science, we'll get an output Computer Science. Here print is a triple quotes inside in a double quotes Computer Science, but we will get result within a double quotes Computer Science. So in a single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes, whatever may be typed inside the print, that will be displayed on the monitor or screen. Okay, yes. Now in this print, Greater Chennai Corporation students syntax error, invalid syntax. Print here in a triple quotes, in the double quotes, strings are immutable in Python, which means you cannot make any changes once you declared. Strings are immutable in Python, which means you cannot make any changes once you declared. Okay, next, accessing characters in a string. Once you define a string, an index value or subscript is allocated for each character. These index values are used to access and manipulate these strings. The subscript can be positive or negative integers. Here, subscript can be positive or negative integers. Next, we will see the positive script 0 is assigned to the first character and n-1 to the last character, where n is the number of characters in the string. The negative index assigned from the last character to the first character in reverse order begins with -1. You see an example, the string is school, school. Positive subscript start from 0. That's why S is 0, C is 1, H is 2, O is 3, and then O is 4, and then L is 5. But negative subscript will start from right to left. That's why L down, you see, -1, O -2, O -3, H -4, and then C -5, and then S is -6. Why? Because it will come to right to left. Okay, here you see in this coding, program to access each character with its positive script of a given string. String equal to input, enter a string, index equal to 0 for I in string 1. Print subscript index here within a square bracket, and then colon double quotes is closed, comma high. So index plus equal to 1. And then enter a string welcome. Script position, subscript location 0 to 6. Every letter should be goes to 1 1. subscript. Suppose subscript of 0 W, subscript of 1 is E, subscript of 2 is 2, subscript of 3 is C, and then it will goes to respectively. Next, we will see example program to access each character with its negative subscript of a given string. Here string equal to input, enter a string, index equal to -1. Here the shorthand operator is nothing but index equal to index -1. Now while index greater than or equal to minus within the ordinary bracket length of string, here bracket will be closed, and then print subscript index colon equal to plus string 1 in the square bracket index. So index plus equal to -1, and then enter a string welcome, subscript -1 E, subscript of -2 M, subscript of -3 O, subscript of -4 C, and then subscript of -5, and then what? L, subscript of -6 E, subscript of -7 W. Here modifying and deleting string. Strings in Python are immutable. That means once you define a string, modifications or deletion is not allowed, but a new string value can be assigned to the existing string variable. Example, string 1 equal to within a double quotes how are you, string 1 of 0 equal to capital A, the trace back most reason call last, here file the py cell #1, here line 1 comma in module, string 1 of 0 equal to capital A within a double quotes. Here error, string object does not support item assignment. Okay, now we will see string 1 equal to how are you, print str1 how are you. Why? Because we will assign string 1 equal to how are you. That's why we will print within a bracket str1. That's why how are you will come. String 1 equal to how about you, print str1. So how about you. So note, you can define a new string value to the existing string variable. Python completely overwrite a new string on the existing string. Next, replace function. Usually Python does not support any modification in its strings, but it provides a function replace to change all occurrences of a particular character in a string. Syntax: replace within a double quotes character 1 double quote closed comma character 2. The replace function replaces all occurrences of character 1 with character 2. Example, string 1 equal to how are you, print str1 how are you, print str1 replace within a double quotes O comma E. Now how are you, now the O will change to E, that's why HEW, or the O place will goes to E, that's why HEWAREYEU. Okay, so this is called a replace for replace function. Now here code to delete a particular character in a string. String 1 equal to within a double quotes how are you, del string 1 of 2, the trace back most recent call list, find py cell #1 line 1 in module, del string 1 of 2. Type error, string object does not support item deletion. Python will not allow deleting a particular character in a string, whereas you can remove entire string variable using del command. Next, code to delete a string variable. Your string 1 equal to how about you, print str1 how about you, del str1, print str1 trace back most recent call last, file pycell for #14 line 1 in module print, and then str1 name error, name string 1 is not defined. Next, we will see string operator. The Python provides the following operators for a string operations. Number one is concatenation string. Simply we called concatenate is nothing but joining two strings, concatenation. And then append is nothing but, it is an American English, and append is nothing but adding, added, plus equal to. And then repeating, we will introduce star symbol. And then string slicing, and then stride when slicing string. Okay, these classes about one by one we will see the next class, but only one string I will teach you now. Joining of two or more strings is called concatenation. The plus operator is used to concatenate string. In example, within a double quotes Python, here within a double quotes inside the sentence is welcome, plus within a double quotes Python. So the result is welcome Python, right? Next, append. Adding more strings at the end of an existing string is known as append. The plus equal to operator is used to append a new string with an existing string. Simply I will tell you, string 1 equal to welcome 2, string 1 plus equal to learn Python. Now print str1. Why? Because str1 only will assign. So the final result, welcome to learn Python. Okay, next, repeating. The multiplication operator is used to display a string in multiple number of times. Example, string 1 equal to welcome, print string 1 star 4. Now star 4 is nothing but 4 times the welcome word will come. The result is welcome, 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 right? Here string slicing. Slice is a substring of a main string. A substring can be taken from the original string by using square operator and index subscript values. Thus, the square is also known as slicing operator. The syntax str, here start, colon, end. These two will come to inside the square bracket, where start is the beginning index and end is the last index value of a character in the string. Python takes the end value less than 1 from the actual index specified. Finally, we will see example 1. Slice is a single character from a string. Here Tirukural will come to within a double quotes. Here print string 1 of 0. Example, here slice is a substring for indexes 0 to 4. That's why print str1 of 0 colon 5 is nothing but through, thiru only. Example 3, slice a substring using index 0 to 4 but without specifying the beginning of index. Print string 1 of colon 5. These come to inside the square bracket. So the answer is thiru. Example 4, slice is a substring using index 0 to 4 but without specifying the end index. Here print str1 of 6 colon. In a square bracket, the result is coral. Next, here program to slice substring using for loop. String 1 equal to computer, index equal to 0. For I in string 1. Now print string 1 colon index plus 1. Here index plus equal to 1. That's why C, CO, COM, COMP, COMPU, COMPUT, COMPUTE, COMPUTER. This is a result. Okay, the remaining and all we will see the next class. Thank you for your kind cooperation. Okay, thank you.